She may have stopped having sex with you because she is just She may have stopped having sex with you because she is just flat out tired. Okay? Mental work is way more exhausting than physical work.
Yes.
Okay? It is in the thinking about all that you have to do that makes you tired as opposed to the real physical job at hand. You understand? And besides that, when you do physical work, you come home and take a nap. Wake up and be ready to go. Okay? But that mental work, that mental stress, child, that thing follow you to sleep.
Yes.
You be dreaming about stuff that you gotta do next week. It is ridiculous.
Yes.
Okay? And when you are mentally stressed out, you are exhausted. And men, because of that high testosterone level, y'all come home, sit down for a little bit, right? When you're tired, take a nap for a second, wake up, and be ready to go, ready to make love. No, not women though. Okay, because our minds is connected to her. Do you understand? Y'all, when the wind blow, y'all could be standing up and ready. Okay? But not us. It's gonna take more than wind, darling.
This is true.
It's gonna take some wind. It's gonna take some rain. It's gonna take some thunderstorming. Okay? And then we ready. But don't let us mess around and be mentally stressed.
Yeah.
It's gonna be even worse.
Yes. Yes, it is.
You get what I'm saying?
I get it. And so what's the fix? Based off of that, the fix is do things to help her mentally unwind without the expectation of having sex.
Can you say that one more time for people all the way in the back of the stadium at the top in the nosebleed sections, please?
Guys, you have to do things to help her mentally unwind without the expectation of having sex.
Boom, boom, boom. Y'all be getting it wrong. Y'all just be going in for the kill. You know, you do something, that helps her without the sex, and then it's gonna start prompting her to go, you know what? I think he just cares about me and cares about my mental well-being, right? And she's going to naturally want to give of herself to you.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Fellas, if you don't know, a woman who has a clear mental state and is unburdened with mental problems, she makes a hell of a partner.
What he said. What he said.
If she's got problems and burdened with stuff and you contributing to that, you are bringing down the family and you're not helping your own situation.
Nope.
So do things to help her mentally unwind. Give her a bubble bath,
Yeah, throw some champagne,
on
the
some
bathtub
candlelight.
caddy.
Some candlelight.
Yeah, music.
Did you say the bathtub caddy? Is that the little thing in the back?
No, not that one. It's like a little table.
I got
like
you.
a table that goes across the bathtub.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do things to help her mentally unwind. The bath.
Charcuterie. Yo, give her a little charcuterie, boy.
You can even do the massage. Now you gotta cut your toenails now. If you're gonna cuddle and stuff like that, you gotta cut your toenails because you can't be scraping and cutting folks up.
You came from charcuterie boards and music to toenails. I don't even understand.
Tied it together.
Yeah.
Give her a massage.
No.
Give her a massage.
No, that's a trick.
You know what you do?
That's a trick. That's a trick. I never hear me massage. Everybody know massage is a trick.
Now listen, there's gonna be a part 3. Don't forget now.